Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. I just purchased this for myself and I am so excited. I'm going to do an unboxing and first impressions and then I will style my hair in another video. So I do have long hair. It is fine, but I've got a lot of it. It is naturally curly. I have it straightened right now, but um, we're going to see all the fun stuff that this has to offer. So let's check it out. Okay, so once you get the tape undone, it is taped at the front. You just open it up like this. And this is presented really, really nicely. So if you are wanting to give this as a gift, it definitely presents very well. You've got a nice, quick cheat sheet here for showing you the different attachments and how to do it, and some after service information. But this comes in different colors. I got the purple one because I love purple. But oh, I am loving this. Look at this. Okay. So definitely want to check out underneath because there is some stuff underneath there. But look at how pretty this is. Oh, it's so nice. This is not too heavy. It is not too thick either. I have small hands and this is just like, it's a perfect grip. You do have your buttons here for temperature, speed, and your, let's see, that's power on and off. Got a good size cord here. It is a double prong. So here is this is where you're going to put your different attachments here at the top. So this is the blow dryer. Let's see the other attachments. Oh, look at this puppy. Oh my gosh, this is huge. This is it's like a huge barrel brush. Oh, I can't wait to use that one. That's going to give some nice volume. And this is a smaller barrel brush that's rounded. The other one is kind of like an oval, and this is a nice round. The attachments feel like really high quality. Oh, look at this. You've got so nice targeted blow drying to, pop on here. I'm not sure if I think it's on this. I don't know what side it is on. We'll figure that out on the next one. Oh, look at this. This is great. So this is a traditional brush, but it's got some vents around the edging. So as you brush, you can just kind of help it dry faster. I love that. Okay, you've got two barrels here for right direction curls or left direction curls. These are about an inch, it looks like. Oh, nice. Those feel so good. Underneath, so make sure you pick up the thing underneath. You've got some more goodies. You've got a awesome tool to help keep everything clean and neat. You've got like the picks to pick out the hair brush. That's really, really nice. I like that. You've got a couple clips for helping you to style your hair, a rat tail comb for styling. Oh, this is nice. You've got a bag, a little velvet bag to keep everything in, and your heat resistant glove to help you style your hair. And then you've got an instruction manual thing here with what all the different tools are for, how to use them. This looks awesome. So quality wise, I am really impressed. Like this feels like it's not heavy, but it doesn't feel cheapy, if that makes sense. So it feels very well made. The cord does rotate, and you do have a hook here if you've got like a hook in your bathroom that you want to keep your styler there. But I am so excited to test this out on my hair. So that is my first impression and what's in the box. I'll see you on my next video when we style my hair.